So, hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Friday, the 13th, September 13. So, gonna swim for the last time kasi next week, i-close na nila to. Yan yung pool. Here, wait. I-close na nila to kasi malapit na ang taglamig. 23, sa September 23, ma-full na. So, next week wala na tong pool. So, let's go swimming, guys. Tara guys, malapit na. Kabagyo na. Kabagyo na. Oh, what's the phone? Oh, yeah. I did it. You what? Yeah, Mama, I'm a dog. Mama, I'm a dog. You wanna go to vlog? Look, will you do that? Yeah. You show it in the camera. No shooting. So, swim. Go. Say hi guys, we're done. Hi. Okay, bye. We're going now.
Say bye.
Bye guys, come on. Medan. Buang. Hi everyone, may punto. Look. How's that? What's this today? Today is September 14th, Saturday we're going to fishing. Pero guys, yung build dito.
No, I ain't caught one yet.
I got it.
Mommy.
Oh, good job. Yeah.
Stop, don't drag him.
You caught that?
Here.
You
When I
caught
say
that?
stop, you need to stop.
You got that? Yeah, super cool, my love.
Yeah, that's
Oh, the bob is gone. I don't know if I can get up, Mommy.
Say hi guys. Say hi guys.
I need it.
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Imagine.
My husband's order as this. Don't show that, love. That, the shape like that. And Madam, that one. And mine is this one. Alright guys, we're done eating. For my birthday, this is my birthday dinner, love.
Yeah.
Birthday dinner here in Roadhouse. Logan's Roadhouse. I like that car. I like that car behind. What's it? I like the car. This one. Where is it? This one. My husband surprise for me in their Logan's.
Come on.
You're singing for me. Thanks you guys for watching.
Baby.
What's that? This one?
Yeah.
It's 3.
Oh, I know, but I'm showing you.
Yeah.
Raisins too?
He likes it. Go. Show it.
Is it getting heavy?
It's getting heavy.
And you got your coffee. Biscuit. Right there. Ooh. That's $3.22. Right there. You can make so much with that, Mommy.
Yep.
You want the bigger one?
No, that's a... Mom, no.
Dunk it. That's the dark. That's chewy. Milk chocolate. Get one of each.
This one?
That one and the next one.
This?
Get one of each.
1. And this one too?
Yeah.
2.
I already had them. No. That's really spicy.
What about? Thank you.
Like that. Okay. Oh, you got chicken stock?
Here. Pag mag-ano ka, pick 5 makes or match for $24.99. So 6 $32. Ito naman, dito guys, we're in Asian market. Asian market? Stock. I know, stock market there. Oh. Yan siya. Yan yung pinamilihan namin ng karne. So,